Alright, so this is an example of beta decay. Can you see that the electron is on the right hand side? To get the electron, minus 1, you got 56 minus 1, that gives you 55 on the left hand side. Now there is something missing. So what is missing is that we have an antineutrino. Now just remember that anything with the electron, it is coupled with the anti-electron. So the anti-electron has a symbol that looks like a V with a bar on top. That's the antineutrino. Ignore the E for now. So that just means it's the electron antineutrino. So the neutrino just means little neutral one in Italian. How is the neutron able to turn into a proton, electron, and antineutrino? This is the weak interaction. This is how the quarks can interact with leptons. Right. So if you look at this diagram here. If you have too many neutrons, the down quark becomes an up quark, but then that also emits an electron and an anti-neutrino. So this is beta minus decay. Alright, so there's 3 levels. So the first one is the atomic level. The second one is the nucleon level. Because here, when you have too many neutrons, the neutron becomes a proton and an electron and an antineutrino. Just also be aware that the charge is conserved. So if you look on the left-hand side, the charge of the neutron is 0, and then you've got +1 for the proton, -1 for the electron. The charge of the antineutrino is 0. Quarks, so this is at the quark level. The down quark actually turns into an up quark and also emits an electron and an antineutrino. All of the above corresponds to beta decay, where you have an electron emitted, but you have a beta plus decay, and that's the positron. That is the antimatter version of the electron. So the equations are similar, but now it is the opposite. The opposite is that you have the positron and a normal neutrino. So if you look at this equation here, you got 6 is equal to 5 plus 1. The positron is emitted, but that is together with a normal neutrino. So here, if you have too many protons, the proton become a neutron, a positron, and a neutrino. At the quark level, the up quark becomes down quark, and the positron and a normal neutrino. So this will be the diagram for the beta plus decay. The up quark becomes a down quark, also emitting a positron and a neutrino.